If you're in the market for a forcible entry simulator, the East Coast Rescue Solutions forcible entry door is the one for you. My name is Rick Myers, fabricator and designer of the East Coast Rescue Solutions forcible entry prop. In this video, I'm going to cover a couple things. Of course, the features of our forcible entry simulator, the reasons why it's so appealing to other departments, and the things that sets us apart from other simulators that are on the market today. Let's start by going over the features of East Coast Rescue Solutions forcible entry door. 5 components make up this particular prop: the platform, the 2 uprights, the header, and of course the door. Let's start off by talking about one of the most important components of this prop, and that's the door itself. 225 pounds of carbon steel, 1/8 inch pans make the outer shell, front and back, and then an additional 1/8 inch where all the work is being done has been added as an outer sleeve. Another component of our prop is the upright in which the door stop or door jamb is attached. One thing to note on our simulator is the 34 inches of workable space, where again there's no simulation in where we have to work or limited area in which the area that we have to work. So if we're in the field and we're having to start high or start low below the locks where there's least resistance, we're able to do that on our prop. Secondly, 2 foot of it is replaceable 4140 tooled steel and flipped, so when one side's been used and wore out, you can go to the other side, so that adds that long-lasting durability to the prop. Platform itself is pretty self-explanatory. 4 foot by 4 foot plate steel, 3/8 inch thick. Expanded steel being added for limited slip. The 6-inch gussets add the stability, but yet still a large workable area. The handles being added so that it's easy to move around from one area of the training facility to the next. One thing I took in consideration in the design of this door is the varying levels of difficulty that I wanted to incorporate. One, starting with the novice rookie firefighter, just using a 1x, all the way to an experienced firefighter that just wants to be challenged, just using a 2x2, or to a veteran firefighter that really wants to be challenged. We've now incorporated the rebar insert as well. The varying levels go all the way up to 20 to 30 different ways that you can orientate the wood in order to challenge or to keep these students challenged and engaged in the task of forcible entry. The unique features that sets us apart from the props currently on the market today, one of which is a 34 inches of workable space. The 2 foot tooled steel 4140 that's replaceable, and the boltless pikeable jamb. Another big question: why is this door appealing to departments nationwide? First of all, once the initial investment of the door prop itself is made, to keep it in operation only costs pennies. 1x2s, 2x2s that can be purchased at any home improvement store nationwide. In order to cut them, no additional equipment's needed, just other than the saws that are currently on the rig now. K12, wood cutting blade, or a chainsaw. We've used a chainsaw most of the time in the field. You only have to do a cross cut in order to cut the lumber itself. All right, let's talk about the disassembly of our forcible entry prop and how easy it is with one person to do it. Now, being the door itself, as I said earlier, weighs 225 pounds, and I'm by myself, I like to just use a small floor jack. That's all it takes in order to get the door off. Basically 2 pins and the weight of the door. 2 additional tools that are needed for the disassembly is, for the simplest of tools, ratchet, 3/4 inch socket, or if you can get an impact wrench, 3/4 inch socket, just makes it that much quicker to take it down. All the bolts required to hold the receivers in each upright end, 3/4 inch nuts. We've loosened them with the impact. They stay with it. Header, same way. Header comes off. Uprights come out. Slide out with ease. This upright, grabbing on the handle, comes out with ease by yourself. And it's ready for storage. Thank you for taking a few moments of your time to look into the East Coast Rescue Solutions Forcible Entry Simulators. Any questions that you may have, contact myself, Rick Myers, via email, rick.ecrs@gmail.com, or go to our website directly at www.eastcoastrescuesolutions.com. Thank you for your time.